According to the legend, we believe that the civilization, Tibetan civilization, was flourished in Yalung Valley, which is south of Lhasa, 200 kilometers towards airport, in a valley called Yalung Valley. Okay, that is before Christ, BC. Okay, and we believe that according to the legend, we believe that the origination of Tibetan people was from a monkey and ogress. Okay, monkey is like a father, a male, and ogress is female, like a mother. So according to Buddhist philosophy, we believe that monkey was a manifestation of compassion Buddha, Avalokiteshvara, and ogress considered to be manifestation of Tara, female goddess, mother goddess. Okay, this is the origination. We believe that according to the legend, origination of Tibetan was from a monkey, which was father, and ogress manifested Tara as a mother. Okay, and then in that valley, the civilization flourished and the population increased. First, they had 6 children for these two, monkey and ogress, and then the population increased. At that time, these monkeys, they used to eat fruits and roots in this valley because it's rich in forest. And then, after a while, when the population increased, then they know how to cultivate, right? And then they have no leader, they could not choose among themselves. Then one day they found a stranger on the mountain and then invited that stranger to the valley and appointed him as the first king of Tibet from Yalung dynasty. Okay, there are many legends about the origination of that king. So that king, the name of the first king of Yalung dynasty or Tibu dynasty is called Nyatitsembo, because which means neck throne king. The shepherd who founded the stranger on the mountain called the villager, invited him on a neck throne by 4 persons. So that's why name as neck throne. There are many legends about the origination of the dead king. Some says that he was an Indian king, lost his battles and fled through Himalayas and then came to Tibet. But there are many legends. And then Yalung dynasty start. Okay, so the first king called Nyatitsembo, that one is in the 2nd century BC. Okay, and then Yalung dynasty start, or Tibetan dynasty start, and before 7th century, at that time in Tibet, we used to practice Bon religion. Original religion of Tibet is called Bon. Bon religion. Mostly believe in nature. Okay, moon, sun, or like the stars. Okay, and then Yalung dynasty ruled Tibet, that valley, and then in 7th century, 33rd king of Yalung dynasty or Tipu dynasty called King Songtsen Gampo, number 33rd. Before 7th century, Tibet was ruled by many kingdoms, and that 33rd king of Tipu dynasty or Yalung dynasty, he unified whole of Tibet into one, and then he moved from Yalung Valley to Lhasa, okay, and then Lhasa met as the capital city. So that's why Lhasa is 1,300 years old in 7th century, founded in 7th century, okay. So that king, and then he introduced Buddhism from India, that king. And then before 7th century, there is no Tibetan alphabet, written alphabet. And then he sent some of his intelligent minister students to India, learn Sanskrit, based on Sanskrit, then invented Tibetan alphabet, which we are using nowadays, okay? So that king called King Songtsen Gampo unified Tibetan one, moved to Lhasa, introduced Buddhism, invented Tibetan alphabet, okay? So then history starts from there. And then he built Chokang temple in Lhasa. We will visit tomorrow, okay, afternoon. And built the foundation, seat of Potala Palace, 2 temples. Okay, so that king is the greatest king in Tibetan history. And then his successor ruled Tibet, invited many masters, scholars from India to translate many texts from Sanskrit to Tibetan. Okay, and then in 9th century, Yalung dynasty declined, and then new rulers. Okay, and then Tibet was ruled by some high lamas or other dynasty for 50, 60, and then in mid of 17th century, then number 5th Dalai Lama, great 5th Dalai Lama, he founded Potala Palace, and he founded a local government called Ganden Photang, and then Tibet was ruled by 300 years by Dalai Lamas from 5th to 14th. So current is 14th, right? Which is in India. And then 1959, so Tibet was ruled from mid of 17th century till mid of 20th century, 1959, by Dalai Lamas, 5th to 14th. And then from 1959, Tibet was liberated. Peace is called peace liberation, okay? Liberation by government, Chinese government, and now is called Tibet Autonomous Region, okay, which is under the central government. So this is a brief history about Tibet, okay? So origination Tibetan and then ruled by Yalung dynasty. So most of the history is from 7th century and then ruled by many rulers, and then from 5th Dalai Lama. 5th Dalai Lama is called Great 5th Dalai Lama because he founded local government and built Potala Palace, and then ruled by Dalai Lama like a political and religious leader of Tibet till 1959. And then policy, everything changed after 1959 because of the peace liberation. Okay? Got it?
Okay.